We're going to be making chocolate chip cookies, and here are the ingredients we'll need. Salt, brown sugar, flour, baking powder, baking soda, butter, and eggs and vanilla. And mini chocolate chips. Cups of flour to the bowl. This is what we're exactly going to do now. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Teaspoon of baking powder. Teaspoon of salt. Mix the dry ingredients together. Add 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar into the bowl. Add 2 cups of butter to the mixing bowl. Now mix it all together. And beat the eggs into the bowl. Two teaspoons of vanilla. Beat eggs and vanilla until it's fluffy. Keep mixing. Mix in all the dry ingredients. Now, then add chocolate chips. Scoop it onto your baking. This is good. Take out the cookies from the oven from 8 minutes. Make sure you subscribe to our cooking channel. Bye. Thanks for watching.